His name is Frank. Frank?
Dave.
Who what?
Oh, hi, are you taking a picture of me?
No, I deleted you. Don't worry.
Okay.
No, don't worry. I'll crop you out later.
Okay.
Frank it. I was kidding. You got plenty of room. You're good. You're good. Right. Oh my God. Oh my God. You got it. You got it. You had plenty of room back there. You're good. Better safe than sorry. You like me. You like to back park so you can get out easy.
Yeah,
That's why I back park.
Yeah, usually I back park, but there's just a trap this morning.
Oh,
So.
gotta do what you gotta do.
And I don't want to like even get close to it.
I appreciate that. Have a good night, bud.
Careful!
Is that an El Camino part hanging out under his door?
What's that blue all along the
I
side?
know. Every time he look at me, I'd go.
I don't just complain.
Had it made and he decided to redo it.
I know.
Is he a pretty bad driver?
But no, it's just a long
if
truck,
you're
and
gonna bitch, you
he
gotta
was
do
nervous.
something about it.
He saw the cars behind him. He saw me next to him.
I figure if I'm gonna bitch, I'm
I've been
gonna
having a hell of a problem. Yeah, take my wife out of the hospital.
Like my Danny was doing in the wind last week, and it was back on.
Do the sphere.
The sphere. You gotta do the sphere picture.
4.
Hey, she just got the toy. I know, I got one.
Do you?
I got a shotgun.
Why is that?
You're not on. Press, and then press and hold.
Oh, there we go.
You clean on your butt.
You always power that on before the drone because the drone gets hot.
He's the one.
You got
He and his
360
wife, they're the
rotation.
ones
that on
that
for you.
keep saying, I have a shotgun. Where's the
Because it
shotgun?
checks in
But
with
it's- I
that.
still
So
got
if
the
that's
red
on
light,
first,
though.
as soon as it powers up.
See, but I still got the red light.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all right.
Things in my
Oh, there it
backyard
is.
is gonna be
Yeah,
in pieces.
it connects.
Move back.
Okay, do the little sphere picture.
Move back. Move back. Move back.
God, how far
It
back I
bites
gotta
you.
get.
Be careful. It
Yeah.
bites.
She's new.
Oh.
She's learning.
Define new.
Well, it has
Did it come with all the
sensors.
Yeah.
Damn.
Come on, Linda. I ain't got
Come on, Linda, launch.
Nervous anyway. Take
No.
off.
Here it goes. Contact.
I'm scared.
Even when Dan flies, it
No,
makes
up.
me nervous.
Up.
That's it.
No, that's off.
That's off.
Hold it.
There it goes.
There you go.
Whoa.
There you go. Okay. Are you recording? Are you recording?
No.
Record.
No, it's full.
What do you mean it's full?
Full rotation.
You didn't put SD card in it?
No, I didn't.
Full rotation.
360. Oh, come on.
Oh my God.
Oh! Do a flip.
There you go.
Sounds like a little hornet.
Look at that.
Oh!
Weed trimmer.
Weed trimmer.
Oh! There it goes. Oh my God, we're gonna die.
Whoop.
Don't you hit me.
Oh!
I got that shit on camera.
I gotta use the damn pilot.
Are you in sport mode?
Starting to figure it out.
Ain't no dummy.
No.
No wonder nobody wanted to ride with you in the helicopter.
Oh, this is cool. That was some quality shit right there. I got it right. I used it to bat it away.
I hope that was recorded.
It was recording.
Did you get it recorded?
Yeah, I did.
Send that to us.
Absolutely. Oh my God.
See, girls.
that's
Okay,
cool.
why is your obstacle avoidance not working?
You're
Your obstacle avoidance, that shouldn't be coming anywhere near
That's
us.
true.
Have done that.
Are you in sport mode?
You shouldn't have done that.
No,
because
I
it
mean,
got too
N.
close.
I'm in that middle one.
Yeah, it should be.
Cine.
It shouldn't have done
Cine.
So is
Well,
that
yeah, because
not a
we set all the
sensor?
settings.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
Has
yeah.
sensors.
We,
I don't
oh
know.
no, you don't.
But
Well,
there's
no.
no
Was it sideways,
I
It
No.
does have
Oh, it might have been.
or was it? I
Was,
thought it was
was,
behind you.
was it coming at me straight, Doug? Doug,
pretty much.
was it sideways or was it
Straight
coming?
at you.
Okay.
Oh, because
Is that what like that? And I went, I pushed it away. I got right in between the arms. Oh, that's gonna be
It
some.
must be set up for up and over on its
Yeah,
avoidance.
it is.
Because
But
it went, once it hit you, it went up and over.
Did it
Well, because
really?
he helped me set up the settings the other day.
Right.
Or, yeah. And I was like,
He can blame you.
Oh, puff, puff, pass.
No, just keep puffing.
Oh my god.
Oh,
all right, that was the show for the day.
I've got some quality editing
That
for
was
tonight.
fun. What are you talking
That
about?
was. It was cool.
I didn't have to
Really
pay
was fun.
$118 to see it.
God, I hope this is recording. Oh my God.
That was fun though.
Okay,
I'm
so
like,
I'm trying to figure out how you came out. I mean, mine, when mine goes, it goes dee 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 dee, and it won't go anywhere. I can't go back, forward, up, down. It won't let me do shit. But you were just perusing around like it wasn't even on.
the avoidance.
Yeah.
Thing, I'll have to check the settings.
Yeah, check the
But I
settings.
didn't change anything.
I know, I don't know. We had it on
Yeah.
because when they originally come out of the box, you can't fly sideways. It's turned off. You have to turn it
Yeah,
on.
we went in and had to change a bunch of
She
stuff.
came out of my house. We did it in my backyard, and I had to turn all of the settings to where they needed to go.
What one's deal like that cost?
$909.
That's a good deal.
Pretty good deal.
I got mine for $400
Especially in Vegas.
at a pawn store.
Guys, you're coming now to join us? That's going to be interesting to see that video.
It is gonna be. Yeah, I know. It is gonna be.
I can't wait.
That was over schedule.
That one flew right. I literally pushed it away with a stick.
Scared, the drone or you?
Literally. Yes. I thought you were gonna make it wreck.
I was almost. I didn't hit it. I just went like that. I shoved it because it was like right up on the thing. I said, I'm downwind of it. It's gonna get me. So maybe it didn't have GPS. Where the fuck did she go?
Right there.
I'll bet it didn't.
I'll bet it didn't have GPS. Linda.